Okay, previously we learned the donut song, which if you want to go back and review, you can, but I'll sing it for you one time. Well, I stepped around the corner and I stepped around the block and I stepped right into the bakery shop and I picked 2 donuts right out of the grease and I handed the lady a 5-cent piece. She looked at the nickels, she looked at me. She said, "Young man, you're cheating me. There's a hole in the nickel and it goes right through." And I said, "There's a hole in the donut too. Thanks for the donut. Goodbye." I'm going to teach you a hand clapping game that goes with this. I'm going to do it the first time. And it's cross arms and then down in your lap, which you can't see. But I'll do it for you and then I'm going to teach it to you. Well, I stepped around the corner and I stepped around the block and I screwed up, forget that. Well, I stepped around the corner and I stepped around the block and I stepped right into the bakery shop and I picked 2 donuts right out of the grease and I handed the lady a 5-cent piece. She looked at the nickels, she looked at me. She said, "Young man, you're cheating me. There's a hole in the nickel and it goes right through." And I said, "There's a hole in the donut too. Thanks for the donut. Goodbye." Now, as you can see, it's a little bit tricky because I messed up once and I almost messed up a second time, but I caught myself. So the first, we just start like this, cross, do this with me, cross, down, and then the rest is right here. And it's clap right, clap left, clap both, clap both. Think of it in groups of 4 things. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's clap, pat, clap, pat, clap, both, clap, both. You can do this with my screen. You're watching me. Here comes Fisher. Clap right, clap left, clap both, clap both. And you can repeat that as needed. So if you need to pause and work on that, you can. Okay? All right, now we're back and you've got the pattern down. So this time I'm going to sing and you are going to try to do the pattern with me, just like I did in the beginning, only you're going to clap along. You don't have to sing this time. Well, I stepped around the corner and I stepped around the block and I stepped right into the bakery shop and I picked 2 donuts right out of the grease and I handed the lady a 5-cent piece. She looked at the nickels, she looked at me. She said, "Young man, you're cheating me. There's a hole in the nickel and it goes right through." And I said, "There's a hole in the donut too. Thanks for the donut. Goodbye." All right, you can have fun with that. You can rewind it, practice that as many times as you like to get it down. And then an added challenge would be to sing along with me. And then if you get that for fun, you can go back to the previous cycle and find the donut song with the video and add that in, plus the singing, plus the hand clapping. So a lot of exploration with that. Have fun.